Why are affidavits essential for winning pretrial motions? Imagine trying to convince a judge to dismiss a case or exclude evidence without showing solid proof. It's like trying to build a house without a foundation. That's where affidavits come into play. They are sworn, written statements made under oath, and they serve as the backbone of many pretrial motions in criminal cases. These documents are more than just paperwork. They are powerful tools that help attorneys make their case early on. When a defense attorney files a pretrial motion, they need to support their arguments with facts. Affidavits provide detailed information from witnesses or experts that can back up claims like an alibi or challenge evidence the prosecution wants to use. For example, a witness affidavit might state that the defendant was miles away at the time of the crime, which can be key in getting charges dismissed. Without these sworn statements, it's much harder to persuade the judge that the motion should be granted. Affidavits also help in showing that evidence was obtained illegally or that the case lacks enough foundation. If the police collected evidence without proper warrants, an affidavit from a witness or the defendant can explain these issues clearly. This factual support makes it easier for the judge to decide whether to suppress evidence or dismiss charges. Another reason affidavits are so important is that they carry credibility. Since they are sworn under oath, judges trust that the information is truthful. For example, in bail hearings, affidavits can detail a defendant's community ties and responsibilities, helping the judge decide if they should be released or kept in custody. Filing affidavits also helps the defense prepare better for trial. They can lead to the discovery of additional evidence from the prosecution and give the defense a chance to cross-examine witnesses during hearings. This early peek at the evidence can shape the defense's strategy and make the trial smoother. Most courts requiring written support for motions and affidavits meet this rule. They make the motions more official and credible, increasing the chances of success. In short, affidavits are essential because they provide sworn, factual support that can sway a judge's decision. They help the defense build a strong case before trial, whether that's by dismissing charges, suppressing evidence, or negotiating bail. Without affidavits, it's much harder to make convincing legal arguments and influence the course of the case.